Hello everyone, I am Siddharth Bula, Faculty of Mathematics at SRN International School. Today in this video we will be learning about the trigonometry functions and their values in first quadrant. So let's begin with the topic. First of all, let's understand what is trigonometry. The trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. If you split the word trigonometry in two parts, as trigonon and metron, together these two words make trigonometry. If you take a right angle triangle, the side opposite to theta is always called the perpendicular, and the remaining one is base, and of course the longest side of the right angle triangle is always hypotenuse. Now let's discuss the fundamental trigonometry functions. Though there are 6 functions in trigonometry, but they are further classified as fundamental and non-fundamental functions. The fundamental trigonometry functions are sine theta. If we consider sine theta as the ratio of two sides for a right angle triangle, the sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. The next is cos theta, which is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So these are the 3 fundamental trigonometry functions over which the entire trigonometry is based. Moving forward, if we come to the non-fundamental trigonometry functions, there are also 3 non-fundamental functions, and they are: the first one is cot theta, which is based upon perpendicular. The next is sec theta, that is hypotenuse upon base, and the last one is cosec theta, which is equal to the hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Moving next, let's have a glance at the points before drafting the value table for the trigonometry ratios in the first quadrant. You always need to keep in mind these 4 points. The first point is that we have 3 fundamental trigonometry functions, and those are sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. The next is 3 non-fundamental functions. Those are cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Second last is the relationship between these 2 fundamental and non-fundamental functions. The 3 fundamental functions are reciprocal of 3 non-fundamental functions. That means the sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta, cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. And the angles that we are going to derive in the first quadrant, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Moving next, this is the table that we are going to draw. Today we are going to learn is that how we can draw this trigonometry ratio table. So let's start. These are the 6 trigonometric functions you can see here, and these are the angles which are the fundamental angles of the first quadrant. So let's begin. What is the trick? The trick says that first of all you will be drawing 0, then 1, then 2, 3, and 4. This is the trick. Then you divide all these values by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4, 3 by 4, and the last one is 4 by 4. Let's take the square root of all these numbers: 0 by 4, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4, and root 4 by 4. Let's simplify it. 0 by 4 will become 0, 1 by 4 will become 1 by 2, 2 by 4 will become 1 upon root 2, as we can cancel 2 and 4 as 1 upon 2, and this will become root 3 upon root 4 is 2. 4 by 4 is 1, root 1 is 1. Now for cos theta, we will write these values in a reverse sequence. That means the 1 will come first, then root 3 by 2 will come, and the next will be 1 by root 2, then the next will be 1 by 2 in a reverse sequence, and the last one will be 0, of course. Now tan theta. We know that tan theta has a relation with sin and cos. That is, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Let's use this. We will be dividing the values of sin and cos. 0 by 1 will give us 0. If you divide these two, 2 and 2 cancelled, 1 upon root 3 will be the value for tan 30 degree. Next, 1 by root upon 1 by root 2 is completely divided by 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 will give us root 3, and 1 upon 0 is always infinity. Now for the cot theta, again we'll be writing these values in a reverse sequence. So infinity will be coming first, then root 3 will be coming, then we'll be having 1, then we'll be having 1 upon root 3 and 0. The next function is sec theta, which is reciprocal of cos theta. Right, so we can write that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Alright, let's use this identity and find the value of sec from the values of cos. So reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3, and the reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, the next value is 2, and 0 by 1 will be the 1 by 0, which is equal to infinity. Now for cosec theta, once again we'll be writing the values in the reverse sequence. So infinity will come first, then 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, and the last one is 1. So this is the trick we can learn to draw this table for all the 6 trigonometry functions for the first quadrant angle values, that is 0, 30, 45 and 60, 90 degree. So thank you so much for watching this, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the video. If you found it helpful, that this can be really useful for you to draw the table in a very simple way, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.